Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you can come closer. We're both fixing your hair. Who are you?
Milo Rosal.
And you're my dad?
Yes.
I want to show you something, but I want to take a picture of you first.
Okay.
I have everything set up.
Okay.
Okay, come here. So, I just took a picture of you, right? Do you like that picture?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
Red. The red.
Oh, you like the red colors? What do you think it does for you?
I don't know.
It just looks nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I want to show you something. Stay here.
Is that a Pandora box?
We have another unboxing.
Yes.
Can you guess what this is?
You can put it in a frame.
You only put the box in the frame?
No, you can put the picture in a frame.
Maybe not. Okay, ready?
Sounds weird. What is that? Aerosol?
Here, hold this, please.
Atmosphere Aerosol, professional haze, shakable, dangerous, extremely flammable, contents under pressure.
This makes it like
Smoky?
yeah, there's fake smoke in the air. So this comes in handy with pictures like this because, okay, you see how the red that you like hits you on the cheek and then your right shoulder, and then there's even a pink one on the other shoulder. But wouldn't it be cool if you can see more of the color in the air?
Yeah.
Right, so that's what we can do with this.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another picture, but before I take the picture, I'm gonna spray the air with the atmosphere aerosol.
Do I have to like close my nose or something?
That's a good question. According to this, no. I should
What
really
if
be.
it catches on fire?
It won't catch on fire because there's nothing flammable here.
Paper.
Paper? Well, well, sorry. That's a good. Sorry. Let me rephrase my answer. There are no open flames here.
Okay.
So I think we're okay. So you want to try this where we take that picture with the atmosphere? You won't cause any fire? Because you look hot. Okay, let's go.
Is it even recording? Wait.
That would really stink if it wasn't recording.
We would have to do it all over again.
Yeah, we would lose the element of surprise. So what do you think? There's that one, and this is without, and this is with.
With.
Why? What do you like about it?
It's more dramatic.
So where else do you see colors now?
In the air.
Right. So it seems more colorful and more dramatic, right? There's more color, and then like usually when you add clouds, like you ever see in movies where like they have a fog and you kind of can't see what's going on, and makes it more dramatic and mysterious. That's also what's happening here. But how
do they get that much aerosol in the air?
Oh well, because on movie sets they're using like smoke machines. This aerosol can thing is just a small version of that. So here, I want to show you something. Look, the light is hitting those fog particles, and it's refracting, and it actually gets to travel more, and almost come in front of you a little bit. So you're adding more color. Cool.
Cool.
So you like the aerosol? All right. Thanks. Bye.